All right, so we're doing a little video here, beginning of May 2023, of course, but I know whenever we look back at things for the dock, it always is like, what year? So, they got it stripped. All the Trex is stacked in two different locations. One over there by where we play cornhole, and then some boards down on the other side, laid out as flat as possible. Probably separated so they know which ones came from which section, maybe. Here's the Paralams. So I guess that's a single Paralam, which they have nice brackets on. Everything looks as it should. Joist hanger for the first 2x12, 2x12, 2x10. I think that's a 12. The steel I-beams look like they cut out the precast, stuck them in, and then re-cemented around it. Slushed them back in. Those are all new 2x12 posts. It looks like the sister goes onto the old boards, which hopefully they'll end up ripping that board out, replacing that section before they sister the new board to it. I'm a little surprised about the I-beam sitting in the water. I didn't realize that they were underwater very often. But the water is high, but it's not that high. I usually reference it by the stairs. So the first stair is underwater, maybe 2 inches on the second stair. So I guess it is a little bit higher than normal. Got the first joist hanger up. I mean, it looks as it should. All the way across, it looks like there's those holes that are drilled out there. There's 2 on that one, 4 on this one, 4 on that one, 4 on that one, 4 on that one. Looks like 4 at the end too. I was thinking that might be for maybe these I-beams being used somewhere else before, but they're pretty consistent here. Stone is in good shape. These things are close enough together, but definitely room for drainage if water gets up under. It doesn't look like they've done a whole lot here other than strip this. But that could have been a project in itself. The one thing that I did want to two things I did want to point out was this that I already had, that this needs to be cut out and replaced, obviously, before sistering the new board to it, like you see going down the rest of it. My guess is they probably would. That's probably why they stopped there, but it should be mentioned. And then 2, these Paralams, I mean, for I have no idea what they're supposed to look like. I've never used a pressure-treated Paralam. I know that pressure treating it splits the wood sometimes, but I mean, this looks kind of beat up. I mean, it's just a corner, it's not a big deal, but for what they cost, you'd think that they'd be look a little bit better. Same thing here. I mean, there's a little, that's just a little piece of wood out, actually. You can tell that was when they pressure treat it. You can tell because it looks like when you splinter something with a pressure washer. Other than that, you got the lumber here. Everything looks pretty good. Some plywood over there. Not quite sure what the plywood is for, but probably just setting things on, ripping it. Skirts off over here. Skirt off over here. This board is pretty well toast here too. I would definitely get that board off and replace it. Whatever it is, 2x10, 2x12. It's totally rotted out on this far end. My guess is it'd probably be the same over by where the stairs are. See if they pulled anything over here. Yep, they do have a pull over here. And looks like there's some rotted wood at the bottom. Looks like just a 2x12 that it's kind of rotted out there. The sun kind of makes it hard to see. Let's see if I can get it from the other angle. But it looks like they have the skirting off. They'll probably address it. Yeah, see, that's just 2x12 that goes all the way into the stairs. Not structural or anything, it just holds the skirting, but you know, got the skirting off, might as well spend the $30 and replace the 2x12. Good. I have my landscape trailer. I just put my mower on it to get the blade sharpened and fluids changed. Let me know if you want me to come out and get this. If you wait much longer to have Dan come, he's gonna hate you.